الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Atikur Rahman and welcome to lesson 15, Vowels and Sounds, part 4. Here we're going to be looking at the stretching letters, also known as the letters of mud. So the first letter there is an alif, but when it comes after a fatha, so if an alif comes after a fatha, that fatha sound will be stretched. And then a ya with a sakin on it this time, but when it comes after a kasra, so the kasra sound is also going to be stretched. So ya sakin after the kasra. And then the last one over here, look, we have a waw with a sakin on it, but only when it comes after a dhamma, so the dhamma sound will be stretched. So the fatha sound stretched, instead of a, it will become a. And then if a ya sakin comes after the kasra and the kasra sound needs to be stretched, it will become e. So not e. And then a waw sakin has come after a dhamma, so the dhamma sound will also be stretched. It will become oo. So you stretch it for about 1 second. Let's look at some examples. We have a za with the fatha is za, but we're going to give it the alif now, so it becomes za. And then a dal with the fatha is da, za da. See how the fatha sound was stretched? Let's try again. Kha with the fatha is kha, but give it the alif now, it becomes kha. Fa with the fatha is fa, khafa. Over here we have another fa with the fatha is fa, ra with the fatha is ra. Put an alif next to it, it becomes ra. So fa-ra. Ghain with the fatha is gha, faragha. Ta with the fatha is ta, ain with the fatha is a, ta'a. Give an alif, it becomes ta'a. Lam with the fatha is la, ta'ala. Let's look at some examples for ya sakin now. So we have a fa, ya with a sakin on it now, so that kasra sound is going to be stretched. It's going to become fi. Ha with the kasra on it, he, fihi. Hamza with the fatha becomes a. Ra with the kasra becomes ri, ari. Noon with the kasra on it, ni, arini. And now we're going to stretch that kasra sound because a ya sakin has come after it. Arini, arini. Another hamza, this time with the dhamma, so it's u. Jim with the kasra on it, ji, uji. But now a ya sakin is going to appear, so we're going to say uji. Ba with the dhamma on it, bu, ujibu. So the ya sakin stretched the kasra sound. So here now we have a ta with the fatha on it, ta. Mim with the fatha on it, ma, tama. But we'll put an alif here, so tama. Then a tha with the kasra on it, si, tamasi. But now we're going to put a ya sakin here, so the kasra is going to sounds also going to be stretched. Tamasilu. So over here we have two stretching letters, and you notice how two parts of the word was stretched. Tamasilu. Let's look at some examples now for a waw sakin. So here we have a noon with a dhamma on it, so it's nu. Then we'll put a waw sakin next to this, so that dhamma sound will also be stretched now. So it's not nu anymore, it's going to become nu. And then a ha with a dhamma on it, hu, nu hu. Let's do another example. So here we have a qaf with the fatha on it, qa. Give it an alif, so it becomes qa. The fatha sound is stretched. And then a lam with a dhamma on it, followed by a waw sakin. So if a dhamma becomes before a waw sakin, it's going to be stretched. Qalu, qalu. Ya with the fatha on it, ya. Qaf with the dhamma on it, ku, yaku. Now waw sakin has appeared, so the dhamma sound is going to be stretched. Yaqoo. Meme with a dhamma and a mu. Yaqumu. Let's do one last example now. Ra with the fatha. Ra. Alif after it, so it becomes Ra. Jim with the kasra and the G. Raji. Ain with a dhamma on it now. Raji'u. Give it a waw sakin next to it, so it becomes Raji'u. Noon with the fatha and na. Raji'una. And that's it for this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.